Classification of fluoroquinolone drugs. Fluoroquinolones are a class of antibiotics known for their broad-spectrum activity against bacteria. But what makes each type unique? Let's explore the classifications and uses of these powerful drugs. First generation. The earliest members with limited gram-negative activity. Examples: nalidixic acid. Spectrum of activity. Primarily active against gram-negative bacteria like Escherichia coli and Proteus spp. Uses: uncomplicated urinary tract infections, UTIs. Notes: rarely used today due to the development of newer generations with broader activity. Second generation. Broad gram-negative activity with moderate gram-positive coverage. Examples: Ciprofloxacin, Norfloxacin, Ofloxacin. Spectrum of activity. Potent against gram-negative bacteria, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, E. coli, with limited gram-positive and atypical bacterial coverage. Uses: UTIs, gastrointestinal infections, respiratory tract infections, and skin infections. Notes: ciprofloxacin is particularly effective for Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Third generation. Improved gram-positive and atypical coverage. Examples: Levofloxacin, Ciprofloxacin. Spectrum of activity. Broader gram-positive activity, Streptococcus pneumoniae, while retaining strong gram-negative coverage. Uses: community-acquired pneumonia, sinusitis, bronchitis, and UTIs. Notes: often referred to as respiratory fluoroquinolones. Fourth generation. Broad spectrum with anaerobic activity. Examples: Moxifloxacin, Gemifloxacin. Spectrum of activity. Strong gram-positive, gram-negative, atypical, and anaerobic activity. Uses: community-acquired pneumonia, intra-abdominal infections, and skin infections. Notes: Moxifloxacin is not used for UTIs due to poor urinary excretion. Advanced, targeting multi-drug-resistant bacteria. Examples: Delafloxacin. Spectrum of activity. Active against multi-drug-resistant gram-positive organisms, including MRSA, as well as gram-negative pathogens. Uses: skin and soft tissue infections, hospital-acquired infections, and severe bacterial pneumonia. Notes: a newer generation offering improved efficacy against resistant pathogens. Mechanism of action. How fluoroquinolones kill bacteria. Target: inhibit bacterial DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4, enzymes crucial for DNA replication. Result: prevent bacterial cell division and growth, leading to cell death. Toxicity and side effects. Potential risks associated with fluoroquinolones. Key side effects: tendinitis and tendon rupture, peripheral neuropathy, QT prolongation, risk of heart rhythm issues, CNS effects like dizziness and confusion. Precautions: use cautiously in elderly patients and those with pre-existing heart or tendon conditions. Conclusion: fluoroquinolones are versatile antibiotics with applications in a variety of infections, but their use should be carefully monitored due to potential side effects. Always consult your healthcare provider for the right treatment choice.